In this BDR Suite how-to series, I'll guide you through creating and managing tenants using BDR Suite. First, open the BDR Suite Backup Server's web-based console in your browser. Enter your username and password, and click Sign In to access the dashboard. Now, let's dive into creating tenants in BDR Suite. You can set up multiple tenants, each with its own configuration and user access, which allows for efficient management of resources and permissions. In this demo, I'll walk you through the steps to create your tenants. So let's get started. Navigate to Tenants, create tenant. Now, provide the tenant name and email ID. Once that's done, click on the folder icon to select the restore location. This ensures the tenant's data is restored to the correct path. Next, it's optional to provide the address and phone number. Once the required details are provided, click Next to proceed. Choose the tenant type. You can select from virtual machines, cloud workloads, SaaS applications, or physical machines. If you'd prefer to skip selecting entity types for now, you can choose I will add entities later. In this video, I'll set up VMware as an entity type for the tenant. To do this, select VMware and click Next to continue. Now, click on Add Entities to proceed. In the pop-up menu, select the host you want to add as entities to the tenant. Next, for VMs, you can either choose to select all VMs or only the specific ones you want to include. In this video, I've chosen specific VMs options and selected 3 VMware VMs to add to the tenant. Once you're done, the entities will be listed on BDR Suite. Next, choose your preference for adding and managing user access. If you disable this option, you won't be able to add new users, and existing users will lose access to the server. Enable user access to add users to the tenant and set specific privileges for each user to access the server. To do this, click on Add User. In the Add User pop-up, select the user type. You can choose BDR User to directly add the user in BDR Suite, or use LDAP User to manage existing users and assign privileges. In this video, I've chosen the BDR User option to create a new user and assign privileges. To do this, enter the email ID and select the access privilege. The Read-Only option allows the user to view and read the backup and recovery configuration, while Recovery Access enables the user to perform recovery for the selected entities. Here, I've created a user with Read-Only access privileges. Once you select the access privilege, simply provide the password and confirmation password. Then click on Add User to list the created user in BDR Suite. I've also created another user with recovery access privileges. You can create as many users as you need and assign them the appropriate access privileges. Once done, click on Review. Finally, review all the tenant configuration and click on Save. Click on Save in the confirmation dialog box. Your created tenant will be listed in BDR Suite. Now we'll explore how to manage tenants in BDR Suite. Navigate to Tenants, Manage Tenants. You can edit, view, and delete the created tenants from here. Now, we'll explore the Read-Only User Access Privilege. A read-only user can log into BDR Suite to view backup details, but cannot make changes or perform actions. This access level is perfect for team members who need visibility into backup status without the risk of modifying settings. Let's see how a read-only user interacts with the BDR Suite. Open the BDR Suite console and log in using the credentials of the user with read-only access privileges. Then, click on Sign In. Once you log in, you'll be redirected to the recovery page, where you can only view the details of the backups configured for the entities. The user cannot perform any other actions like recovery operations. Now we'll explore the Recovery Access User Privilege. A user with Recovery Access can log into BDR Suite to view backup details and perform recovery operations. This access level is essential for team members who need to initiate restores and manage recovery tasks while maintaining the integrity of backup configurations. Let's see how a Recovery Access user interacts with the BDR Suite. Open the BDR Suite console and log in using the user's credentials with Recovery Access privileges. Then click on Sign In. You will now be redirected to the recovery data page, where all the backup jobs configured for the selected entities will be listed. From here, you can perform recovery for those backups. To do so, click on Restore. Select the VMware VM you wish to restore and choose the restore type. Check out the link in the description for a detailed step-by-step process on recovery options. Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.